you tired of struggling with messy lash glue and time-consuming falsies? Magnetic lashes are here to save the day, offering an effortless way to achieve a glamorous look in seconds. With so many options available, it's tough to know which magnetic lashes truly deliver on their promise. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 magnetic lashes that combine style, comfort, and durability for a flawless finish every time. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, Ardell. The Ardell Magnetic Lash Accents are a trusted name for lightweight and natural-looking magnetic lashes. Known for their accessibility and affordability, these lashes are perfect for both beginners and seasoned lash users seeking a subtle enhancement. Key features: these lashes feature a multi-magnet technology with smaller magnets placed strategically along the band for secure application. They're available in a range of styles, including natural and dramatic, catering to different preferences. The band is pre-curved, making it easy to align with your lash line. Benefits and usage: the Ardell Magnetic Lash Accents offer a fuss-free way to add volume and length. To apply, simply sandwich your natural lashes between the upper and lower magnetic lash strips. They're reusable and don't require adhesive, making them gentle on your lashes. Usability: designed for ease of use, these lashes are ideal for quick application and removal. Their lightweight design ensures comfort throughout the day. However, practice may be needed to align the magnets perfectly. Durability: made with high-quality synthetic fibers, these lashes can be reused multiple times with proper care. Cleaning the magnets after each use ensures they remain effective and last longer. In the second spot, we have Velour. The Velour Magnetic Effortless Kit is a premium choice for those seeking high-quality magnetic lashes with a professional finish. This all-in-one kit includes lashes and magnetic eyeliner, simplifying your beauty routine. Key features: these lashes are crafted from vegan silk for a soft, fluttery look. The included magnetic eyeliner is smudge-proof and long-lasting, ensuring the lashes stay securely in place all day. The lashes come pre-cut, eliminating the need for trimming. Benefits and usage: with the Velour Magnetic Effortless Kit, you can achieve a dramatic, eye-catching look with minimal effort. Apply the magnetic eyeliner along your lash line, wait a minute for it to dry, and place the magnetic lashes on top. The magnets instantly lock in place, providing a secure fit. Usability: the pre-cut design and easy application make this kit suitable for both beginners and experts. The eyeliner glides on smoothly, and the lashes align perfectly, reducing the margin for error. Durability: Velour's lashes are designed to be reused up to 30 times with proper care. The high-quality magnetic eyeliner ensures consistent performance, while the lashes maintain their shape and softness over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Eylure. The Eylure Pro Magnetic Lash System is a game-changer for those looking for an affordable yet reliable magnetic lash option. This system features magnetic lashes and an innovative magnetic liner for quick and easy application. Key features: these lashes come with 5 lightweight magnets evenly spaced along the band, ensuring a secure fit. The magnetic eyeliner is waterproof and smudge-proof, making it ideal for long-lasting wear. The lashes are available in various styles, from natural to bold. Benefits and usage: the Eylure Pro Magnetic Lash System offers a simple way to achieve glamorous lashes. Apply the magnetic liner along your lash line, let it dry, and then place the magnetic lashes on top. They're perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. Usability: the user-friendly design makes this system accessible for all skill levels. The lashes are lightweight and comfortable, while the liner's precise applicator ensures easy application without mess. Durability: these lashes can be reused up to 15 times with proper care. Cleaning the band and magnets after each use extends their lifespan, and the waterproof eyeliner maintains its effectiveness for multiple uses. Taking our 4th spot is Lashify. The Lashify Control Kit is a luxury magnetic lash system designed for those who want a salon-quality finish at home. This kit includes everything you need for a customized lash look, from lashes to a precision wand. Key features: Lashify's patented gossamer lashes are ultra lightweight and made from premium Korean silk. The kit includes a dual-sided wand for precise application and a long-lasting bond adhesive for secure wear. It's available in various lash lengths and styles for a personalized look. Benefits and usage. The Lashify Control Kit allows you to create a seamless, natural-looking lash extension effect. Apply the bond adhesive to your lashes, use the wand to place the gossamer lashes underneath your natural lash line, and seal them with the included tool for a long-lasting hold. Usability. While it may require some practice, the Lashify system is highly customizable, offering the flexibility to create natural or dramatic looks. The included tools and instructions ensure precise application. Durability. With proper care, the gossamer lashes can be reused multiple times. The bond adhesive provides a secure hold, and the lashes maintain their quality, even after repeated use. And finally, at number 5, we have MoxieLash. The MoxieLash Magnetic Lash Kit is a versatile option for anyone looking to enhance their lashes effortlessly. This kit includes magnetic lashes, a magnetic liner, and an applicator tool, making it a complete solution. Key features. MoxieLash lashes feature ultra-strong magnets for a secure fit and are made from premium synthetic fibers for a natural look. The magnetic liner is waterproof, smudge-proof, and long-lasting, ensuring your lashes stay in place all day. Benefits and usage. The MoxieLash kit makes lash application quick and easy. Apply the magnetic liner, let it dry, and place the magnetic lashes along the liner. The applicator tool ensures precise placement, while the strong magnets keep the lashes secure. Usability. Designed for convenience, this kit is suitable for all skill levels. The lashes are lightweight and comfortable, and the liner's applicator allows for a smooth, mess-free application. Durability. MoxieLash lashes are reusable up to 30 times with proper care. The magnetic liner maintains its quality over time, and the strong magnets ensure the lashes stay in place, even during long wear. Magnetic lashes have revolutionized the beauty world, making it easier than ever to achieve stunning lashes without the hassle of glue or professional appointments. Whether you're after Ardell's affordable ease, Velour's luxury, or MoxieLash's stronghold, there's an option tailored to your needs. No matter your preference, these top 5 magnetic lashes prove that glam can be effortless. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with friends. Stay tuned for more beauty tips and reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.